The annual plan and the long-term plan are very important documents. They're our promise and our work plan for you, our community. And consulting about it is a big deal.
Our last LTP was shorter, just 3 years, in order to focus on recovering from those record-breaking storms that damaged our roading network to the tune of $41 million. The shorter LTP meant our community boards lost some nice-to-have funding, but what about this next LTP?
FNDC is back to our standard 10-year long-term plan. We'll be asking you, as our community, what are your aspirations for this long-term plan? These consultations set us up for success, not just a forward plan, but also to know what you, our community, would like to see and what you wouldn't like to see in our community.
The best way to have your say is through our online surveys. You can be notified when new consultations go live, then come see us, kanohi ki te kanohi, to ask questions and share your views. We're listening, and we want our community to be part of the conversation.